Some jobs, they come with a uniform. Others with badges. Boots, gloves, helmets, hats. Big rigs, even bigger responsibilities. All necessary. But equally important to the things so proudly shown on the outside is that willingness to serve you so selflessly wear on the inside. Against the fiercest of elements, the greatest of odds, it's a hazardous world in which you throw yourself. Not to be a hero, but to simply do your job. Grand or small, the size of your servitude matters not. What counts is the comfort in a smile, the knowing nod of a patient, a mother, a traveler, a child. A look that says, we may never understand your world, but we do recognize someone who knows how to keep a promise. To serve, to protect, to heal, to deliver, to do their job. At Sonim, we do more than salute those who take care of us. We do our best to understand the treacherous world in which they do, so that we can design, test, build, and provide mobile technologies to help those who serve even better.